For over 80 years, customers have trusted Wabash MPI to provide precision presses to the manufacturing industry. For over 100 years, Carver Incorporated has supplied presses to the laboratory industry. Our vision as a company is to be a world-class supplier of production and laboratory presses. Our sales and engineering teams are professional, knowledgeable, and relentless in assisting customers as they pursue and develop their applications. We have experience across many markets, from composites to laminating, compression molding, and pelletizing. Our goal is to turn first-time customers into repeat customers. From standard to custom-engineered presses, we are a global leader in our field. Whether it's creating parts for the aerospace industry or producing medical parts for orthopedics, our advancements help propel our customers forward. Our A1 service team travels the world with decades of experience, while our operations and manufacturing areas support customers with expertise and dedication. We are a true custom systems provider, ready to meet unique application needs. We would love the opportunity to work with you on your next application. Please feel free to contact us through our website or give us a call. Wabash MPI and Carver Incorporated are your trusted sources for all your press applications.